Check 1 2. So what is up, guys? This is John K, and I just want to say thank you for you guys for signing up for the program. Those of you who signed up, I released a course, Dance Floor Game Accelerator, 1 week ago, and at first I thought, I had all those fears like, maybe some people are not gonna get it. I just had all those doubts about myself, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna release it. I want to change the world. I want to inspire others to live life to the fullest. I want to inspire others to really live their life fully, to become confident women, get success. I remember it was like 2 to 3 days later. I woke up a few days later and I realized like a bunch of you already signed up, and I was like, holy shit, like I can actually live off making YouTube videos. I don't have to work at that job anymore, for the rest of my life, doing what I love the most. For you guys signing up to the program, it really helps me be able to work for you guys, be able to do more content for you guys. So I remember it was like in 2015, 2016. I first emailed RSD Max, and you guys in the pickup community probably know him. I just sent him like a few messages. I just showed him some of my videos just for fun, And I remember he was like, his words and encouragement, they always stuck with me. They're like, he said like, wow, this is amazing, like this is unique, this is, like he was telling, like those words of encouragement alone. And I remember that was the beginning of my sort of YouTube career, where I had barely 1,000 subscribers, not even. And I sent it to him, and he said like, wow, this is very well edited, this is amazing, I can't stop watching it. He said he watched it like dozens of times, and I was like, wow, like there's something about what I do, I guess, that I'm having an impact. And just those words of confidence, that like it really instilled in me, like someone with such authority telling me that, yo, like I've got potential. This really changed my life. And honestly, I wouldn't be here. I don't think I'd be here if it wasn't for his words. I had so many doubts, like making that program, working on myself, and like it finally came out. It finally came out, guys. It came out. Yes. So many hours. This is like the biggest project I ever did in my entire life, I think. So I think I'm really happy. Thank you for you guys for supporting me at this shooting. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. 10,000 is gonna arrive pretty soon, and now I've actually made the program secret now, that you can only access it if you opt into the email list. I want to make sure that only the most dedicated, most hardworking, most serious people sign up to that program. Okay, if you want to be entertained, like watch all my videos, comment on them. I love your comments. I love how you tell me like how it inspires you. But this program is different. This program is for those who are action takers, willing to change their lives, and not just watch the POV stuff just for the fun of it, but actually to take action, to do it in your own life as well. Whatever I do in those videos, picking up girls all around the world, totally possible. You can do that too. You're gonna see the next few days, the next few weeks, you'll see little previews of the program, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to click on the link right here. I'm gonna put a link right here, and then you just put in your email, you get your free training, and after that you get a secret link to access the Dance Floor Game Accelerator program. That's over 2 hours of condensed theory videos, 3 hours plus of in-field footage. Really gonna like it. So click right here, and I'll see you in the training page. Peace.